Alright, so I'm back, but I don't know. The feathers might be in the way. I'm going to have to slide them up. Welcome back to my channel. So I just ordered me a crock pot from Walmart. Roast is one of my favorite meats ever. But I never made one before. So I figured let's record and see what we come up with at the end. Hopefully it'll come out right. I had to call my mother to get some ingredients and instructions because I'm not really a cooker, but I'm trying to be a cooker. Very much beginning intermediate. It's about 5 now, maybe a little after 5. She said to cook it for about 3 to 4 hours. So we're gonna see how this goes. Before we get into this video, please make sure you like, subscribe, and leave the comments down below. Hopefully it come out good. I wanted to throw some green beans. Of course it come with the potato, carrots, and onions and celery and all that. But I wanted to throw some of the green beans I had in the freezer and some of the rest of the bag of, what is that called? Brussels sprouts, because I don't want it to go bad. So I'm going to put that in. I'm going to basically put in the veggies probably like an hour, maybe like 30 minutes before it's done. And then I'm going to make some of this mini rice, and that's just what it is. And it's a small batch of cornbread. I feel like I'm that girl because like I'm cooking now, but it's like, girl, you got no other choice to cook because you live by yourself. I ain't trying to keep eating out the microwave. I'm not that person. I love home cooked meals. Oh, I am going to sear. I guess that's what you call it. Cooking terminology. I'm going to sear the pot roast in a pan on each side for about 3 minutes before I put it in here. After seasoning it, and I'm gonna show you guys everything I got to put up in here, and we're gonna go from there. All right, come on. All right, y'all. So I had some extra carrots and celery in my refrigerator because when I had got this from the market, I had froze it to, I guess, preserve it until I was ready to cook it. And the potatoes and the onion, I ain't like how they came out, so I just threw those away. I'm gonna go ahead and add some red onion. The carrots were still fine, so I kept those. Now I'm about to season this meat. This is the seasoning I'm going to put inside the pot roast. I'm going to throw in some brown gravy, some garlic powder, some thyme, beef broth, some Himalaya pink salt, some onion powder, pepper. Pan is heating up. I'm going to throw a little bit of olive oil so I can sear it. Just a little. But this don't be working. Let me see if I can get this to work. Or do it just be me? I swear it don't be looking like nothing coming out. Oh yeah, it is. Barely. I don't like this one. You know what? We're just going to use a little bit of seasoning on because I don't feel like that's coming out how I want it to. I'm just going to season it a little bit because we also have this seasoning packet that came with it. So we're going to use that also. Y'all, I don't know what I'm doing. But we're just going to... I'll add more seasoning if I need to because I ain't trying to overseason. I'd rather underseason than add as I go than overseason. Ain't no coming back from that. I think this should be ready, right? Oh, look at all the seasoning in the damn tray. Can I just spike her in there? Yeah, I'm just gonna spike her in there like that. This is what it's giving right now. I'm gonna let that fry for 3 minutes and then I'll flip it over and then I'll come back and show you guys. Alright, y'all, so let's flip this meat. Ooh, don't do that. Let's flip this meat over. Ooh. At this point, Chef Key in the building. So I'm gonna leave that for about 3 minutes on that side. And I saw the people like hold it up to get these sides. I don't know if I'm really advanced for that, so we're gonna see if I do it or not. Low, high, or warm. And warm is when you're trying to keep the food warm, not actually cook it. So I got it on high. Look at that meat cooking. I'm that girl. Ah, that's so exciting. All right, because the crab only go low or high.
When you put the where you put the stuff in the pot, right? That's where you gonna put the thyme.
I was on the phone with my mother doing all this, so she said I don't need to add the gravy until it get closer to being done, or probably like halfway through, just so the flavor don't go away. Okay, y'all. I'm so tired. It's about, I want to say like 10:50 right now. So we're reaching the 5-hour mark. Hold on, Alexa, how much time is left on the timer?
You have 13 minutes left on your 1-hour timer.
Yeah, okay, so when I reach the 4-hour mark, I put it on for another hour just to make sure, you know, she breaks apart. Because, y'all, ow! Damn! That fact. Why is this pork roast? I'm thinking it's beef roast. You know, reading is very fundamental. And I'm always telling people, reading is fundamental. And my stupid ain't read that it said pork. I saw it was looking a little light skin, right? So I found a wrapper in the trash. I said, ooh, I'm gonna have a burn them all. I saw that it was pork roast, and I'm like, Lord. Because it wasn't giving beef. At like the 2-hour mark, it wasn't giving beef. It was giving pork. So that's what made me go ahead and find the freaking wrapper. And it says pork before roast. I don't know how I missed that. But anyways, so it should be also already salty, right, since it's pork. I don't know. So now, oh, my arm's starting to hurt. I did bring it up a little bit, but I can tell, well, majority, but I can tell that it needed like a 1 more hour in order to get that. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the gravy, and y'all, we're gonna add this gravy, let this cook for this last 13 minutes. Cool down, put it in the refrigerator. I'm gonna get up tomorrow to make the rice and the muffins because I'm trying to go to bed. I'm not that girl that stay up all night. I'm not her. Ooh. Ooh. This is what she's giving. So let's see. Before we add this gravy, let's see. Don't it look good though? You can't even lie. That look good. I ain't hungry though, but I'ma try some. Whoa! You see how that little piece of meat came apart? Oh! Hey y'all, I'm that girl. Oh my God. Ooh, look at that. Look at that meat. Come on, let's go ahead and add this gravy. And mind you, I got all the ingredients for beef pot roast. Not pork. Imagine this over white rice with some butter and a piece of cornbread. It's oh my God. Alright, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Look at it. Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the next morning because your girl did go to bed. So right now I'm finishing the meal, putting on the rice, waiting for the water to boil. I mean, it's halfway there, it's majority there. And I'm gonna throw this 1-minute rice up in there, and that's gonna be that. And I'm about to make my cornbread muffins. This is the water so far. I added a little bit of salt and some butter. Lord, I hope no shells went in there, Lord. My boyfriend. I think we just gonna do 1.5. That should be like 1/3, right? Oh, I got to add the sugar, because if you don't add sugar to your cornbread, you nasty. And I just don't like that for you. Oh yeah, girl, you gonna need some more milk, so. Oh Lord, I hope that wasn't too much milk. Should I add some more sugar? Mix that thing good. Mix that thing good. I said mix that thing good. Mix that thing good. Right there. Throw me. The thing's rising. Alright, so here's the muffins. And let's add some honey and some butter and stick one in the middle of the muffin. And one on top. And we're just gonna let her melt like that. You see the honey. And you're just gonna drizzle it on top like that. Alright, y'all, so this is the food. Got my meat, my curds, my string bean, my onion, my celery. The rice is on the bottom, and I got a piece of cornbread. I'm so hungry, I'm about to tear this thing up. Look at it. Alright, y'all, so my front camera's so blurry. It's like, on here it's dark, but in here it's way brighter than the camera making it look. But it is what it is. So let's try it. I didn't add no more salt and pepper to the rice, so we're gonna see if I need to add some more now. So let's get some caddies and creamies with some rice. I don't need no more salt. This is the meat. Oh. Oh. This is my first time trying pork pot roast. It's not bad. It's definitely good, but beef still my top. Because beef you can't go wrong with. I still would choose beef over pork any day. Alright, so now let's try this cornbread. When I tell y'all, that butter and honey, oh my God, that butter and honey is so good. It's a nice little homey meal. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. Please make sure you like, subscribe, and share. Leave your comments down below if you like pork or beef pot roast. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. When you decide you need someone, when you don't have to